Hey everyone, it is a beautiful afternoon. My mom gave me this really cool harvest apron. It was my birthday a couple weeks ago. This is one of my birthday presents. So you put your stuff in here and then you unclip it, it unfolds. You can drop your harvest out on the floor, or not on the floor, out on your countertop or on your table. Has a couple of pockets. I've got my clippers and my gloves. And I also have some tomatoes and some peppers ready to harvest. So let's put this to work. All right, here's my row of peppers. I have 2 Shishitos, a poblano, and then 2 jalapenos. So let's start picking some of these Shishitos and using my harvest apron while at it. Okay, I do have clippers just in case, but most of the time with peppers, they're easy. You just lift them kind of backwards and they pop right off when you're pulling them the right direction and they're ready to harvest. See, instead of holding them, I'm just gonna start dropping them in my basket, in my apron. Beautiful Shishitos. We love grilling these on a really hot cast iron. Just a little bit of oil and then some salt. All right, that worked really well. Super convenient. It's really easy just to drop it in there and know that it's safe and not gonna go anywhere. And now let's go get some tomatoes. I do like using my shears when harvesting tomatoes. I want to make sure I'm not damaging any part of the plant. These are the Terra Cotta tomatoes. I think they're really pretty. Smell really good. The tomatoes also easily plop right in the apron bag. These are my Soldaki tomatoes. I'm really excited about them. I almost forgot an onion. Let's take this one. I'll cut it while I'm out here, let it go right into the waste. Perfect onion. Right into the bag. Okay, I love this harvest apron. It was really cool, it was really convenient. It's still light and airy. It's a hot day and I'm not too hot. I mean, I'm wearing a tank top, but I'm still wearing jeans. It's not too hot. It's nice that I really like the pockets. I feel like everything's safe down in here. I love it. Thank you, Mom. Let me show you down inside. Let's go see how we unload it. Unloading your harvest was pretty easy. The bottom folds over itself and it just has 2 simple snap clips. So you undo the clips, undo the fold, and your harvest plops right into your basket or tabletop or wherever you're keeping it. I just love this, isn't it pretty? It's so gratifying to grow your own food. Really quickly, I want to show you my apron when I'm not wearing it, show you the features about it. I don't know the brand name, the brand's not on here, but I've seen a few that are pretty similar. So start with the back. So it has the padded shoulder blades, shoulder pads. Same 2 cords cross over and then come around your back so that you can, when you tighten it around your back, it also firms it up around your neck and your waist, so it's really comfortable, secure fit, and it's padded so it's more comfortable. Hi sweetie, are you just so happy? The part where you put your produce on is waterproof, so it's really nice, so you're not going to make a big mess out of it. Like a lot of our produce is going to be dirty or wet from the soil. Yes, very happy girl. Right here you have a pocket for stuff like gloves or wherever maybe you're pulling tags out of the soil too. There's more pockets right here. This pocket is where I have my clippers right now. So as you're harvesting, you're just kind of plopping things in there. You're gonna go back into your house or wherever. You're gonna unclip these, unfold this, and then all your produce just falls right on out. It's really, really easy. And then you just fold it back up, clip it, and nothing's getting out of there. Really nice. Eden approved, huh? Yeah. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.